Hi, I'm Kyle with Supreme Tile and Flooring, and here's a good tip on how to silicone your backsplash or any other water area without making a big mess of the place. Here we go. You got spray away glass cleaner here. All right, we're gonna put a heavy bead of silicone right in the joint at the bottom, like this. You wanna make sure that that bottom joint is nice and clean. Get out here now. All right, we don't want any grout in that bottom joint. You want that to get filled up with silicone as much as possible. Fill that gap there. All right, that should do it. Come on over to our glass cleaner here. All right, make sure you have some paper towels on standby. All right. Come back over here, get a little bit of that on your finger here. All right, go about a foot at a time. Just like this. All right, and that is how you make a clean silicone line. Again, Kyle, Supreme Tile and Flooring out of Charlotte, North Carolina. My number is 609-848-3190. Again, 609-848-3190. Thank you.